It is a rainy one out. As you guys can see, it is raining like crazy. This video is gonna be insane. What's up, y'all? So, as you guys can clearly hear in the beginning of the video, this video is sponsored by Blackout Tint. This guy is awesome with tinting. Tints millions and millions of cars. Well, not really millions, but a lot of cars. But yeah, we're gonna be tinting the car today, as you know, like I said in the beginning of the video. But let's go ahead and get it started. So, how much are we doing in the front?
20%.
20% in the front, and yeah, and then 5 in the back, and then the little quarter panels, and then we're all set. So we're gonna show you exactly how to do a window tint. So basically this is the before or after, and I'm going to go to the other side and show the before of what the tint looks like. And this is the before. Obviously you can see through everything. You can see the stupid cup holder that gets in the way of the stick shift, Puggerino, and myself. So here is the final product of the windows being tinted. It looks super good, especially back in the daylight. I have 5% in the back, and then I think 15 in the front. It makes everything pop super good. Once again, auto autopsy, shout out, top label, especially the blackout tint. Blackout tint is the one who tinted my windows. It looks super good. Cheap price, not cheap, but not super cheap, but good enough price, and it came out great. Big shout out to Blackout Tint. His Instagram will be right here on the screen. And as you see in the video, his handle is right there as well. It just makes the car look super good. So
what's your thing?
This is my YouTube focused 200M. I know.